What's going on, guys? I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Hobby Star's 1/144 scale Harute Final Battle Version Celestial Being Mobile Suit GN11. I got this model from GundamModelCenter.com, which I will have a link in the description, for $36. Now, I don't usually buy third-party kits, but as soon as this was made available, I pre-ordered it because I love this mobile suit. Double O Gundam is not one of my favorites, but it does have some of my favorite designs. This box is very similar to a Bandai kit, I'll give it that, but it has many differences, obviously. The top will remove, much like Bandai kits, but the box that's underneath it is just a plain brown box that actually reseals. It just has two flaps that you pull out and then open it up. The box art is beautiful. I love the media that they chose for this. I mean, the way that they designed this, it looks almost like it was designed by Bandai. The artwork is beautiful. The descriptions on the side are beautiful. I'm going to give them a lot of points for the way that they designed this kit. So let's look at what the sides of the box have to say. You have the front cover, which is beautifully rendered, and then the top and bottom sides of the kit both just have a short description of the actual model from the anime. I'll let you read that here. And then on each side, there's a little bit more of a visual description of what comes with the final kit after you build it, much like Bandai does. It has two modes. It has its regular mobile suit mode, and then it has its Wave Rider, the MA mode. This kit, unlike the Bandai version, does not have standing legs. It is not going to be able to stand. You have to put it on the stand that's included. It can transform into two different modes, and both will have to be clipped into here because the thrusters are so large and meant to be protruding and show the GN drives, so it does not want to stand up. That's just not going to happen. But thankfully, they included a nice stand. So let's move on to the site here. It can transform, as you can see by the description here, two modes. It's regular mobile suit mode, the final battle version, as well as the Wave Rider mode. For weapons, it has two GN sword rifles that both open in the front, like scissor units. You can pull them up and down to show the rifle. It has 10 GN scissor bits, which can be mounted with the plastic poles that come with the kit, which you'll see in the unboxing. It also has two GN drives. Now, I did not order these, but I think because I pre-ordered it, they included it with it. I would not expect it to come with it, but I believe you can order them from their website. So I do recommend to check when buying to make sure it does or does not come with these. If it does not, make sure to buy two GN drives to show it to its full potential. Okay, so now that we've seen what's on the outside of the box here, I'm going to let you guys at this moment play your own music. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll pick back up at the end after all the parts are shown. Alright, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this kit. I'm going to be working on it in my spare time so that here soon I can show you what it looks like with just a snap build. I haven't decided if I'm going to paint it or not. I'll decide that after I put it together and see how it looks. So, if you have any questions about this kit, please feel free to leave a comment, and I will get to that as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and have a great one.